At Infratech, we are proud to be the first choice for outdoor heating among leading architects, designers, premium home builders, and other design-build professionals. Infratech offers a wide range of heaters, controls, and mounting options. We make it easy to select the system that will best work for your space and budget. Today, we will show you how to heat your outdoor space in 3 easy steps. To get started, you first need to determine the dimensions of the area that you would like to heat, including the length, width, and height. Next, you will select the heater or heaters that will work both functionally and aesthetically for your space. Choose from Infratech C-Series and W-Series single element, CD Series and WD Series dual element, or SL Series single element slimline heaters. Infratech heaters can be flush-mounted or mounted to a ceiling, wall, or pole. Please note that C-Series, CD Series, and SL Series heaters are recommended for wall and ceiling mounting, and SL Series heaters cannot be flush-mounted. To further customize the look of your Infratech heating system, you can choose from our motif collection of decorative fascias. These laser-cut fascias can be added to any C-Series or CD Series heater for a signature design accent. They come in 4 styles: contemporary, craftsman, Mediterranean, and traditional. When selecting the heaters, consider factors like heater quantity and wattage, colors, mounting options, and available power at your site. You'll need a licensed electrician to verify the correct voltage and amperage to power your heating system. You'll also need to consider environmental factors that may affect heating your space. For instance, windy areas or protection offered by a building or wall. To determine your coverage area, refer to Infratech's coverage charts available online. Coverage is a function of your selected heater's power and your mounting height. For instance, a 3,000-watt 12.5 amp heater covers an 8 by 8 foot area on average at a mounting height of 7 to 9 feet, whereas a 6,000-watt 25 amp heater covers an 11 by 11 foot area at a mounting height of 8 to 12 feet. Selecting the correct heater is only part of the equation. Infratech offers a wide range of custom controls to choose from based on your desired capabilities or budget, including several smart home integration options. All 3 Infratech custom controls offer true intensity, zoning, and timer functions. Infratech's Universal Control Package offers hands-free voice activation at home using a smartphone or tablet via a Wi-Fi/Bluetooth compatible device that can be purchased to gain this function. It comes with a Leviton dimmer to control each heating zone, or can be used with the dimmer of your choice to coordinate with the decor of your home or property. Infratech's Home Management Panel lets you control the heat without leaving your seat. It offers seamless functionality that's compatible with top-selling home management systems like Lutron, Crestron, Control4, Savant, and others. Infratech's solid-state control packages are ideal for use in commercial spaces of all sizes with multiple comfort zones, including restaurants, nightclubs, stadiums, and resorts. Each of our custom controls is built on a project-specific basis to meet the unique needs of your property. If you require a custom heating system, we have the capabilities and expertise to assist you. Infratech also offers a broad selection of value controls like simple on-off switches, duplex stack switches, and INF input regulators that can be configured to provide simple, efficient operation for your property, heating system, and budget. The Infratech Contactor Panel lets you maximize the functionality of simple on-off switches and duplex stack switches by adding timer capabilities. Now you're ready to begin enjoying your new Infratech heating system and extend your outdoor living season. If you have any questions or need additional support, please contact us for a free consultation.